Hey guys, back again. Just giving you a little quick tip. I totally forgot how complicated the Infiniti JX35 thermostat is to change. So I'm going to show you what's going on. Just give you a little heads up if you're going to do it yourself. So this is the Infiniti right here. As you can see, I jack up the car and I use the jack to lift the engine in the here. I unbolt the engine mount on this side, jack the engine up just to change that bad boy right there. This is the old one, but it's crazy to get to. Without the engine jacked up in the here, it's very hard to get to. So this is it right now. So all I'm gonna do now, just put this car back together, and then that's basically it. Right now everything is back on. Everything back on. I'm gonna give it a start. Everything runs good, no leak. That's right. It's right down there. No leaks, everything good. Time to move on to the next job. So things like these, guys, you can do in your own garage. Simple, not easy to do. Just some simple tools and take a little time to be done, but after you're done, you'll feel good that you've done it on your own. But on to the new project.